般聲喺度思考緊自己嘅人生咁樣啦。好 ，let's go， 先嚟好。Light of home as I lay myself down at last. I felt the waves, they were whispering in my ear. They told me to hold my breath and hear the answer just beneath. Under the sailboat, the surface will take me somewhere that I need to be. You'll be safe when you're with me. And I'll be on my way to you. Should I stay, paddle through the endless blue, or leave it to who has told me there's a way out here where faith comes through, and I'll be at where you need me to. Strength to pull through. I'll close my eyes to see you clear and bury my fears. Then I'll be at where you need me to. Ooh, 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 ooh. Thank you.